Welcome to Bali, the morning of the world, where every sunrise feels like a fresh promise of adventure. Over the next 7 days, we'll guide you through lush rice terraces, sacred temples, vibrant markets, and jaw-dropping beaches. Whether you're chasing thrills, serenity, or that perfect Instagram shot, this itinerary has it all. Let's dive into paradise. Your journey begins as you arrive at Bali's international airport, where a warm Balinese smile greets you. After a quick transfer to your hotel, take some time to settle in, relax, and let Bali's charm sink in. For your first evening, head to Seminyak Beach for a relaxing stroll. Grab dinner at one of the trendy beachside restaurants. The sunsets here are simply magical. Day 2 is all about Ubud. Kick off your morning with a visit to Teganungan waterfall. The sound of the water crashing and the lush surroundings will instantly energize you. Next, head to Tirta Temple for a blessing ritual. It's a sacred and peaceful experience, and honestly a great way to reset your mind. Then make your way to a local coffee plantation. You'll get to try Lawak coffee. Yes, it's the one made famous by the civet cat. It's actually really smooth. For lunch, nothing beats the views from Kintamani. Picture this: you're eating delicious local food while staring at an active volcano. Explore the stunning Tagalalang rice terraces and take on an exhilarating swing above the lush fields. It's a moment you'll never forget. End your day in Ubud, where you can shop for local crafts at Ubud Market and visit the regal Ubud Palace. Day 3 takes us east. Start your morning at Limpiong Temple, famously known as the Gates of Heaven. Snap iconic photos with Mount Agung towering in the background. Next, stroll through Tirta Water Palace, where tranquil ponds and lush gardens create a peaceful retreat. Then, visit Taman Yujin Water Palace, a historic gem surrounded by water and greenery. End your day at Kanto Lampo Waterfall, a hidden gem with cascading waters perfect for a refreshing escape. Day 4 is an adventure in itself. Hop on a fast boat to Nusa Penida, an island known for its unspoiled beauty and dramatic landscapes. Your first stop is Kelingking Beach, where the iconic T-Rex-shaped cliffs provide jaw-dropping views. Next, take a dip in the natural infinity pool of Angel's Billabong, a unique spot for relaxation. Visit Broken Beach, a stunning cove with a natural rock archway, surrounded by crystal clear waters. And your Nusa Penida adventure at Crystal Bay, where you can snorkel or simply bask in the tropical sunshine. Day 5 is a mix of culture and nature. Begin your day with a visit to Taman Ayon Temple, a stunning royal water temple surrounded by tranquil gardens and lotus-filled ponds. This UNESCO-recognized site is a masterpiece of traditional Balinese architecture, offering a peaceful start to your journey. Next, head to the serene Uluwatu Baritan Temple, a breathtaking sight as it appears to float gracefully on the calm waters of Lake Baritan. Nestled in the cool highlands, this iconic temple dedicated to the water goddess is a must-see for its beauty and spiritual ambiance. After soaking in the tranquility of Uluwatu Baritan, make your way to Hendara Gate, one of Bali's most Instagram-worthy spots. This towering, ornate gate set against a backdrop of lush greenery is perfect for snapping some memorable photos. From there, continue to Wenajiri Hidden Hill, a playground of photo opportunities with its iconic swings, birds' nests, and breathtaking views of the surrounding lakes and mountains. It's a dream come true for anyone who loves both nature and photography. After enjoying the scenic wonders of Wenajiri Hidden Hill, head to the enchanting Jatiluwi Rice Terraces. These sprawling emerald green terraces are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a testament to Bali's rich agricultural traditions. Take a leisurely walk through the terraces or simply admire the panoramic views. As the day winds down, make your way to Tanah Lot Temple, one of Bali's most iconic landmarks. Perched on a rocky outcrop surrounded by the ocean, this temple offers spectacular sunset views. The golden hues of the setting sun create a magical atmosphere, making it the perfect way to end your day of exploration. Start your next day with an adrenaline rush at Tanjung Benoa, Bali's hub for water sports. Dive into thrilling activities like jet skiing, parasailing, or a banana boat ride. Or explore the vibrant marine life with scuba diving and ocean walking. It's the ultimate destination for fun and adventure on the water. In the afternoon, head to Uluwatu Temple, a majestic cliffside sanctuary offering breathtaking vistas of the Indian Ocean. Stay until evening to witness the mesmerizing Kecak fire dance, a traditional Balinese performance that combines hypnotic chanting and captivating storytelling. For a perfect end to the day, indulge in a seafood feast on Jimbaran Beach, with the waves gently crashing in the background. On your final day in Bali, take it slow and savor the island's magic before departure. As you bid farewell to Bali, carry the memories of its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and unforgettable experiences with you, knowing the island's charm will always call you back. And that's the ultimate 7-day Bali itinerary. If you're looking for the best and most affordable packages, check the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and see you in paradise.
Golden sands and ocean waves, temples rise beneath the trees, fields of green and skies so wide. Spirit calls, the heart's guide. Bali, the island of gods, where peace and beauty applaud. Dreams awake and spirits soar, magic